Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the price ladder on Webull. First, navigate to any stock's detailed quote page. Look for the price ladder icon, often near the charting tools. This feature provides a real-time view of market depth, showing pending buy and sell orders at various price levels. It's a powerful tool for understanding immediate supply and demand dynamics. Reading the price ladder involves understanding the bid and ask columns. The bid side shows buy orders, while the ask side displays sell orders, each with their respective volumes. You'll see the current market price in the center. Pay attention to the size of orders at different levels. Large blocks can indicate significant support or resistance, influencing short-term price movements. Placing trades directly from the price ladder is incredibly efficient. Simply click on a desired price level on either the bid or ask side to initiate a limit order. You can then adjust the quantity and confirm. Existing orders are also visible and can be modified or canceled with a single click, allowing for rapid adjustments to your trading strategy in fast-moving markets. For advanced users, integrating price ladder insights with other technical analysis tools can enhance your strategy. Use the ladder to confirm entry and exit points, especially when looking for signs of exhaustion or momentum. Always practice sound risk management by setting stop-loss orders. Understanding order flow can give you an edge, helping you anticipate short-term price action.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.